Hey Zach, look at me. Look at me, Zach. I got food. Treat? He knows what he's doing. He's a pro at this.
His face is all white.
I'm trying to get his collar, but he's good at even getting his collar so you can't grab it. Well, when we used to take him to the beach, we used to leave his leash on. Then you can grab hold. What's that?
I know, he wants to play. Clancy wants to play so bad. Look at him. Zach's keeping it away.
Funny how he gave him the Clancy. He just dropped it.
He teases him with it.
Yeah, he went in front of Clancy, started wagging in his face. It was a bad Clancy.
Oh, I'm aiming down. Poor little guy. See, he's torturing you.
What do you got there? What do you got?
Zach, food! I keep thinking I'd distract him. Hey, come here. Dude. Alright. I think it's poo cleanup time.